guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you're a returning subscriber. My name is Madison. Thanks for joining. Today I'm going to be talking about the MORPHE subscription. I do have January and I do have February here with me. I was on vacation when January's got here and I just got my February, so I said why not do the two of them together in one video. I am also going to talk about the credit card scam that is going around because I was hit. If you were wondering about the makeup look that I am wearing, I did film a tutorial. It should be up before this one, so I will leave it linked in the cards. And I just switched out my lipstick. I am wearing Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick in Beso? I don't know. Anyways, so I'm first going to start off with the January one. For those of you that don't know what it is, MORPHE is a monthly brush subscription service. It's $19.99. That is in US funds, so for us Canadians over here, it's a little bit more expensive. I still think it's worth it, but I'm also canceling, and I'll explain that a little bit later on during the video. So these are what the brushes look like. I haven't even looked at this at all. So this year, for January, it's New Year, New Me. It does come with a pamphlet explaining all of the brushes, and they are all individually wrapped in plastic wrap. Alright, so those are the three brushes here. We have the G5, the G39, and the G42. So they look like all face brushes. I'm first going to start off with this guy right here, and this is the G5. So this is a pointed powder brush. It says here, set your base with this silky pointed powder brush. Its tapered point allows for perfect powder application. You can also apply your blush and bronzer with this plush bristles, giving you a fresh face look all throughout 2018. So these feel really, really soft. It is actually pretty dense, so I would really like to use this for bronzing. Maybe blush. Not so much. I wouldn't actually set my whole face with this brush. I really do like it for bronzer because it could get right in the hollows of the cheeks. But I'm super excited to have this, and I love the barrels. Like I said, I think this is like the gunmetal collection. So super excited to add this guy to my collection. Next up is the G39. It says here that this is the deluxe foundation brush. To get that flawless look for your New Year's Eve party, start with this deluxe foundation brush. Its duo fiber bristles will give you an airbrush finish that will look as smooth as you for the year ahead. So this one isn't as dense as the other one. It is duo fiber brushes. I wouldn't necessarily use this for foundation. Like, I can't see myself like blending this in. Maybe under eye for setting it. This would be really pretty for a highlight brush because the duo fiberness. And it's kind of like tapered. I don't know if you can see there. It's really nice. So I think I would probably use this for highlighting. I wouldn't necessarily use this for foundation though. And last but not least, for the January bag, this is the G42. And this is the 1-inch flat contour brush. And it says, effortlessly define your features with this thin flat top contour brush and look like a brand new you. These soft yet firm bristles will help you stay snatched all year with precise control. See, I don't think this one is as dense either. It is finely packed. Like, I love, like, look how thin that is. Definitely get in the hollows of the cheeks and really good for snatching the nose. So I am super excited to try this guy out. So those were all the brushes in January's. So let's get to February's. So these are what it looks like this month. It says Cozy Up with Babe this Valentine's Day, February 2018. Oh, and we got a little card here that says, sometimes Valentine's Day doesn't go as planned. We had a printing goof. The second brush on the insert should read E61, not E50. Sorry for puckering that up, MORPHE team. Okay, so then I had a printing error. These are the three brushes here. Oh, I think this is part of their Elite collection, I think. I'm loving this month so much better than last month. This is part of their Elite collection. This tapered highlight brush is everything, and I definitely need a backup of this eyeshadow brush. So we got three brushes these month, and this is definitely part of the Elite collection. Face brush, and an eye brush. So first up, this is the MORPHE E23, and this is their deluxe blender. Start off Valentine's Day glam with this deluxe blender. This dense domed brush will give you a warm, fuzzy feelings as you blend the shadows on your crease for a flirty look. I already own this one, and I know that this is one of my favorite blending brushes, so I'm so excited to have a backup. If you guys have not tried MORPHE brushes, this is probably my #1 that I would tell you to go try. And the E41, which is also from their Elite collection, this was in November's bag, I think. We got this big guy, and he has honestly been my favorite powder brush and bronzer brush ever. So if you had to pick up two, I would get these two. Next up is the E61, and this is the pointed highlight. For a romantic glow, use the pointed highlight to enhance your cheeks, nose, and Cupid's bow. This tapered brush will give you a mesmerizing finish for a candlelight dinner with bae. Totally cannot agree more. I am so excited. I love how tapered this brush is, and it's super flexible. It'll be perfect for getting the highlight on the nose, like I said, the Cupid's bow, and obviously the cheeks. So I'm so excited to have this one. I think it's going to replace my Morphe M510 because it's way more tapered and I'd be able to get more of a precise area with my highlight. And last but not least, this is the E34, and this is their tapered blush brush. Add a rosy flush to your cheeks, contour, and powder your face using this tapered blush brush. These soft bristles will have you smitten. You'll think you were shot by Cupid's golden arrow. I think this is awesome for blush. It's kind of really dense, so you'd be able to deposit the product on evenly, and it's flimsy enough so you'd be able to blend it out perfectly. I think this would be really great for blush. And these were all the brushes that we got for February's bag. I would definitely have to say February was more of my favorite compared to January's, but both of them were still a really good bag, and I definitely think they are still worth the $19.99. Every time you do get a pamphlet, you also get a 10% off code. So for this month, if you guys use the code CUPID18, which I will leave on the screen here, you'll be able to save an extra 10% off. So I uploaded my December one, I think it was, and I had a couple girls comment on me and be like, oh my god, how are you still involved with Morphe Me, as they had this credit card fraud. And I was like, what are you talking about? I had no idea what was going on, and next thing you know, I just saw all of these posts on Instagram. I saw all of these posts and all these YouTube videos of everyone saying that their credit card was taken and blah 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 blah. So I'm just gonna give you my rundown. I have canceled my subscription. I did change my card in January, but my card was still attacked. I ended up getting a letter in the mail a couple weeks, 2-3 weeks ago, indicating that my card and my information was taken. They are doing everything that they can to prevent this from future happening. So I have canceled my subscription. I just didn't want any more of my information to be taken. I have changed my card now and everything from that. So I have taken the steps that I needed to. I feel really bad for Morphe Me for this breach, but you know, stuff happens with subscription boxes. So this will definitely be my last month with them, but I definitely think it was worth it. I hope if they can in the future figure out what was wrong, I will resubscribe because I loved getting brushes every month. It's definitely different than Ipsy and BoxyCharm and everything because they are brushes and I know that I will use them. But it just sucks that unfortunately I've had to part my ways with them. Everything was fine with me. I didn't have any problems, but I just wanted to let you guys know that is what happened to me, and I'm from Canada, so I don't know, it could have happened to anyone. So if anyone is with Morphe Me, then check your bank, let your bank know, and also switch your card if you want to continue purchasing from them, just so that your card isn't on file anymore. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this double unboxing of Morphe Me. If you have any future boxes you want me to unbox, leave them down in the comment section below and I will gladly do so. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a huge thumbs up, and if you aren't already, click that subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!